There it is, everybody.
We got back from church. We've been kind of taking a nap, relaxing, getting ready to shoe horses tomorrow. And I had this desire for some egg salad, and I thought, what about making some habanero egg salad? What are you eating, man? Tell him, baby, what you eating?
Ice cream.
Ice cream, right there he is. And I think I'm gonna clean this butternut squash up, and I'm gonna cook this bad boy in the Instant Pot. I think while I'm waiting, I'm gonna grab me something to spread this peanut butter right here. Nothing but peanuts.
It is really sticky though. Y'all know that Fox and the Hound Part 2 when Copper eats, what does he eat with peanut butter on it? Is it Part 2? It's Part 2, isn't it? Yeah, because he can't sing. But the woman,
Reba
McEntire.
Reba, you did it to him.
Her name is Dixie, and she's a dog in the movie Dixie. But Reba McEntire is her voice, and she gave him peanut butter so he wouldn't be able to sing because he wanted to be a hound dog or a hound dude.
Want to be a hound dude?
Hound dude. That peanut butter is like that. Like it really sticks to your mouth. Perfect eggs in the Instant Pot. 5-minute cook time on high pressure. 5-minute slow release. 5-minute ice bath. I already got the water over here ready for the ice bath.
Couple little bangs like that right there.
Grab these little tongs real quick.
Look at there, and that came straight out of my mini
From
garden.
seeds too.
Yep.
High pressure, 10 minutes. There you go.
I've never operated this thing before, I don't think. There it is.
It'll take you a little while to build up pressure.
Let's do 11 minutes.
Okay, that's it. That's all you gotta do.
That's it? That's it, folks. How much mayonnaise do you put, Mama?
Oh, I just eyeball it with however many eggs. Like, I think that's enough for this.
Folks, just put however much you think.
Yeah.
The mustard, you have to be careful with.
Yeah, just a little mustard.
The
Now
mustard
salt and pepper.
it will be overpowering.
That's it. Okay, we had to come to town because Titus needs to get some stuff from Tractor Supply. So we're gonna run in here real quick. Let's see what they got on clearance. Now that is country. If I've ever seen country, that's country right there. You want this, Manny? It's an animal poop matching game. You want it? Tempting, isn't it, Jonah? So tempting. What is this? Pig pen slime. Let's see what they got right here. Apple farm stand. Y'all,
They've done this rearranging.
we're gonna make some cinnamon raisin biscuits. Where are the raisins?
I don't know.
No raisins.
We're gonna have to ask somebody where the raisins are. No.
They sell raisins in there.
Okay, we got sunflower seeds, we got peanuts. Do you see raisins, Sissy?
No, but I was looking for birthday cake and something caught my eye.
Oh, pizza ones. No raisins still. Ooh, look at this whippet. A heavenly cloud-like marshmallow cookie coated in real chocolate. Okay, y'all, the raisins are over here with the fruit cups and stuff. We gotta get some milk, and me and the kids are just gonna pick something out. Titus is gonna eat his egg salad and butternut squash, but it's a find what you want night. Find what you want from the grocery store. They have really cute country living stuff here. They got a meat tenderizer. What is this? Oh, a cheese slicer. Pizza cutter. They're really pretty. Oh, look, they have monster cookie dough now. Oh, an Oreo. All right, y'all, we're back home. We just went into Ingles to get a few things that we needed for tonight and for in the morning, and you know, some of the stuff that was on sale, like these grapes and all. We got raisins for the cinnamon raisin biscuits in the morning. Buttermilk for that too. We needed some buttermilk. Oh, we got these to try.
Cheers. That's good.
It tastes like a chocolate covered cherry.
Got a little
cookie.
raspberry in there. Them things are heavenly.
And cloud-like.
Now there's a piece of bread. Cutting it on a slant. Anybody else want this kind of bread, Mama? Ain't gonna hurt my feelings, y'all. If y'all don't want a habanero egg salad sandwich, it will not hurt my feelings at all. I'm giving y'all a chance here. Cooking that bread. That's really good. Just like I knew it would be. Fantastic. I even dropped a little bit of egg on the floor. I ain't worried about that. That is good.
Next morning, y'all, I've started up the fall scenes, relaxing music on the TV. We have a few more days until school starts back, but that's like my school morning routine. I get up before the kids, do my thing, have my fall. I usually start with fall because, you know, we associate back to school with fall. I start the fall relaxing music, gets me ready for the day. This morning, we're making cinnamon raisin brown sugar biscuits, but I'm not gonna put raisins in all of them because not everybody loves raisins. And we're gonna make some scrambled eggs to go with them. So some of them will just be cinnamon brown sugar biscuits. Let me grab my apron real quick. Roosty's been really happy this morning. He's being quiet right now, but earlier he was doing his back-to-back crowing. That means it's gonna be a good day. So we're gonna start with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 1 cup of brown sugar. Whisk those two together a little bit. Break up any clumps of the sugar and flour. I was just gonna put it on relaxing music for real, y'all, but I saw they had a new fall one ready to go, so I really love the coffee shop scene ones with the relaxing hymns or jazz music, especially the ones where it looks like steam, you know, is coming up from the coffee, those little scenes that they do. We need 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. And ½ teaspoon of salt. Alright. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. That's it for the dry ingredients. Now we're going to cut in our butter. It's going to be just about this whole stick. I think this is like about 1.5 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons shy of a whole stick of butter. I'm just coating it a little bit so it doesn't stick to my hands too bad. And this is cold. I just took it out of the refrigerator. I think I hear Miss Turkey out there now. She's getting excited. Titus got up really early this morning, like I think it was around 4 or something. That's either Miss Turkey or one of the other chickens out there. Sometimes those chickens get really loud. I'm just cutting these into little bitty pieces about that big. Stir that around a little bit. Oh, I missed a piece. Let me grab a pan and we'll be ready to add the buttermilk. I'm going to make a few before, without the raisins before I add the raisins in. We need 3/4 cup of buttermilk. the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, y'all, did a little taste test. These are amazing, absolutely amazing. You don't even need anything but this. It's great. I am going to make a little icing to drizzle over the top because it'll just make them really pretty, but they are wonderful. Very moist. Let me see. See this one? See how moist that is? It is great. Make these. Your people will love you. Definitely add these to your fall baking plan right here. You need these just sitting in your kitchen like, come on in, welcome home. How was your day? Eat a biscuit.